Hey friends, this is Miss Ginder, and I am creating a little video for you to refer back to whenever we are completing an assignment where we might be creating a presentation with our Keynote app on our iPads or videos. So first up, I want to talk about typography. So that really is the style and appearance of your text and print that you're using. So on the left side, I've kind of created a list of what a cluttered presentation would have. So that means a font that's hard to read, a color that's hard to see, a font size that might be too small, or there might be even too many words. So I've included an example for you of what that looks like. And you can see here we've used yellow font, different fonts, too small a font, and we can't even see some of the font hidden back here. So here on the right, I've created a list of what you should be doing. So that should be having the same font throughout your presentations, making sure your colors contrast the background so they can be read, and you're just summarizing your words, keeping it short. We don't want to get too lengthy when we create little presentations. When we talk about the screen design, that's just the overall layout of your slide or media. So again, on my left side, what it looks like to be cluttered, that just means kind of there's an overwhelming amount of things that you've used, making it hard to viewers to look at. So here we do have like a title, but there are so many things happening, it's hard to really follow along. And this one is a little more organized where you can see the title, some text, and then a graphic. So overall, this is more visually appealing and easier to follow along if you are looking at it. And finally, the use of media. So that's the graphics, videos, links, anything that you include on your slide. So if you are including unrelated pictures or videos, that's not the proper way to create these slides. You want to make sure that they are not too small or blurry, or sometimes we get a little photo happy. So we want to keep it to a minimum of 3 photos per slide. So you can see here we have a bunch of photos. Some are too small, some are overlapping, and also we have some randomness of a turtle. And then on our right side, this is kind of what I'm aiming for here. They're organized, they relate to the topic, and they're nice and clear to see. So you might be thinking, what's the point of this? So we want to be mindful that when we create any type of media presentation, if it gets too complex, simply your viewers get overwhelmed and they can't really focus on what you're trying to explain. So you want to remember to make your presentations appealing to the eye, easy to read and use, and it's also engaging for all viewers. So again, always refer back to this video if you need to.